how to view your beans on LIkee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your beans on LIkee app. First thing, go to LIkee app and then just click these three lines in the top corner and click this one here. You can view it just here, and you can click here and then select beans and then just wait. And as you see here, you can see it, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.